Okay, so now the quotient of two functions. We're going to go into a little bit more detail here. So we've got two functions, a parabola and a line, and we're going to find the equation g over f of x. Again, that just means take g divided by f, right? And determine h of x. So g is 2x plus 6, and f is x squared plus x minus 6. Any way we could simplify that? This goes back to your rational equations chapter. Maybe some factoring, yeah. Pull it a 2 up top, and then down below would be x plus 3 and what's the other one? X minus 2, right? What happens next? Yeah, what happens when you cancel these guys? You get a whole. Oh, interesting. Right? So this would equal 2 over x minus 2. And you have a whole at negative 3. What happens at 2? X equals 2.
X-intercepts are asymptote.
Asymptote. Yeah, good. So this is an asymptote. Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I'm glad you remember.
Oh.
Right, because I canceled it?
Yeah.
But it's still part of the non-permissible values because it's in the original function. Okay, so let's graph these three functions. I'll do f of x in blue, g of x in green, and then h of x in red. Okay, and we just found that to be 2 over, what was it, x minus 2?
Yeah.
But x can't be 2 or negative 3. We have to keep that in mind. Okay, so f of x evaluated at negative 3, what does that equal? 9 minus 3 is 6, minus 6 is 0. Good. Okay, next one. 4 minus 2. Sorry? So 4 minus 2 is 4. Sorry, 4 minus 2 is 2, minus 6 is negative 4. Good. 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 6 is negative 6. 0 plus 0 minus 6 is also negative 6. And then 16 plus 4 is 20, minus 6 is 14. Good? G will be a little bit easier.
Oh, okay.
You follow what I'm saying? Yeah. I mean, you could throw up the table on your calculator. I'm just trying to crash through it a little quicker. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0 for negative 3 of x. What's the next one?
Negative 4 plus 6.
Negative 4 plus 6, which gives you 2.
Negative 2 plus 6 is negative
4, and it just goes up by 2 every time, right? Because it's linear. So 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And h.
So this is 2 divided by?
So now we're just going g divided by f. Remember, you can do it a little quicker, right? G over f for h.
0.
So 0 divided by 0?
Can't be done.
Undefined, right? You know, though, what kind of point should be there. Do you have an asymptote or do you have a hole there?
Hole.
There's a hole. Okay, so just make a note for yourself. There should be a hole at negative 3. 2 over negative 4. That's g over f. That just reduces to negative 1 over 2, right?
Yeah.
And then, what's next? 4 over negative 6.
2 over 3.
That's negative 2 over 3.
Then 6 over 6, that's going to be 0.
Nope. 6 over negative 6 is 1.
Negative 1.
Okay, what else we got? 8 over negative 4. Negative 2. 10 over 0. Undefined. Asymptote. And then 12 over 6 is 2. 14 over 14 is 1. So now we have enough to graph, right?